layering up for our second day in Utah skiing. But first, we're gonna stop at Sunday's Best for brunch. We started with beignets. I had the breakfast fried rice and Shaq had the chicken and waffles. On the way, I find it best to ski light with layers. When we arrived, it was snowing, but believe it or not, snow is better for the slopes. I learned to ski in elementary school. My school would take us on 5-day ski trips to Canada. My husband boards and we pretty much go every other year. After we were exhausted and we went to La Botellas. We then ended the night with Salt Lake views in our hotel.